Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to create a new inspection and upload your images. Let's get started. To create an inspection, you will click the Create New button on the right of your screen. This will open up a Create New Inspection form where you will name the inspection. You will then click on Inspection Type, which will give you a drop-down list of the different types of inspections to choose from. Then, you will do the same to select your display coordinate system. And then, input the inspection company owner. Then click the Create button, which will take you to the new inspection screen. Notice the menu at the top is now moved from the Analyze to the Upload option, where you can decide if you upload files or folders. You will have your billing status here and your asset upload history of your inspection. And then, in the center of your screen, you can choose to drop your folder or files, or click to browse to your folder or files. At this point, you will select the actual folder or files to upload. Then press Open, and now you will see the files that you have selected. And in this case, the system automatically sees that there are 31 files and 3 assets, which are the transmission towers. Once you're satisfied with the setup, press Start Upload to begin uploading. The upload will run in the background, and you will also be able to see the progress. You can switch back to the Analyze view and see that the images are populating into the inspection. By clicking to select an image, you can start analysis and annotations immediately. You can go back to the main screen by clicking the small map icon button directly under your profile image to see all of your inspections. For this inspection, we can see that it has 31 images and 3 assets: the inspection company, owner, the inspection type, and that it is a new inspection. Once the images have finished uploading, you will see here that it is 100% complete. For viewing your images, you can look at them in a single line, as seen here, and you can also click to view your images in the grid view, or, if you prefer, you can view your images in the list view that shows the images as thumbnails. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you have any questions.